You can have all the talent in the world, but you'll need one of the best cameras for vlogging if you want to make it big on YouTube. Almost any camera can serve as a capable tool for vlogging, and indeed, plenty of the best camera phones will also do a decent job. But to take your YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok career to the next level, you'll want something that's designed for the job. That's what you'll get here. Each option in our list offers vlogging-friendly features you won't necessarily get elsewhere, whether that's image stabilization for super smooth footage, flip-out screens that make it easier to shoot yourself, color grading, and other advanced video tools, or improved audio capture abilities. And of course, all of these cameras also shoot stills if and when you need them. We think the best vlogging camera for most people is the Sony ZV-1, a camera specifically designed for online content creation. It has a powerful specs list, including a built-in Zeiss lens, a forward-facing screen, and Sony's legendary autofocus. To help you find the right model, we've listed the best vlogging camera 2024 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you, and as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 6, Sony ZV-1. Designed with vloggers in mind, the image-stabilized Sony ZV-1 checks off a long list of must-have features, from ease of use and 4K video to a fully articulated touchscreen LCD. This pint-sized camera comes with an integrated 24-70mm /1.8 to 2.8 lens, so you can create a soft background by choosing a wide-open aperture. If you don't want to fiddle with manual exposure, check out the one-touch defocus option that achieves the same result quickly and easily. IAF and excellent tracking keeps you in focus while filming, and you'll look good too, thanks to the soft skin option. And with the ZV-1's Face Priority AE, the camera automatically adjusts settings to keep you properly exposed when the lighting changes. You'll also find video-centric features such as focus peaking and zebra stripes, a large record button, and a front-facing recording indicator light. The Sony ZV-1's built-in microphone produces good audio, and the camera even comes with a windscreen. It's also equipped with a 3.5mm microphone jack for an external mic, as well as a multi-interface shoe to connect additional accessories. In addition to webcam software, check out the optional vlogger kit with a shooting grip, wireless remote control, and a 64GB SD card. The grip, which doubles as a main tripod, has an adjustable head, and while it's not as effective as a gimbal for run-and-gun shots, provides a good handhold when shooting on the go. Number 5, GoPro Hero 10 Black. The latest GoPro may not look hugely different from the previous model, but make no mistake, this is a worthy upgrade. The GoPro Hero 10 Black's changes are mostly on the inside and include an improved processor which allows for video recording as high as 5.3K/60 Hz, plus 2K video at 240 Hz and 4K video at 120 Hz. It also has a larger 23-megapixel image sensor and upgraded image stabilization that works even when it's tilted by up to 45 degrees. The latter is a particularly big deal for vloggers who spend a lot of time shooting on the go, allowing for silky smooth footage in all kinds of situations. Sound isn't quite so impressive, but its trio of microphones do a good enough job, and you can easily add an external mic or GoPro's own media mod accessory. In short, it's still the obvious and best choice for action-minded YouTubers. Number 4, Fujifilm X-S10. With its excellent video quality, 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBS, and fully articulated touchscreen monitor, the Fujifilm X-S10 is a great choice for vloggers. Since the IBIS provides up to 6 stops of stabilization, depending on the lens, the X-S10 helps steady the camera when shooting walk and talk clips. You can choose from a variety of options to affect the quality and aesthetics of the video, including Fuji's notable film simulation modes. Be sure to check out Eterna for a cinematic feel. The 3.5mm mic jack is easily accessible for adding an external microphone, and although it might interfere a little with the LCD angle, you can use the USB-C port and supplied adapter to hook up a headphone set to monitor audio. The same port can be used to charge the X-S10. So you might want to pick up a power bank if you need to power the camera while filming. Now you can record up to 30 minutes 4K per clip, which is one of the longer capture rates for 4K. When you're shooting B-roll, the camera's deep grip makes one-handed shooting easy. The Fujifilm X-S10 may be a little pricier than most of the other cameras in this roundup, but given its IBS, video quality, and imaging controls, it's a solid option for more advanced vloggers. Number 3, Canon EOS M6 Mark IO. Equipped with the same excellent dual-pixel autofocus as the Canon EOS M90D DSLR, the compact mirrorless Canon EOS M6 Mark II is quick to focus on whatever subject is under one of the camera's manually selectable 5,481 AF points. Thanks to face tracking and eye detection, you or your intended subject will stay in focus while filming up to 4K UHD. A firmware update last year added 24p, which makes this camera even more appealing. The 3-inch touchscreen tilts up to a forward-facing 180 degrees. It clears the top of the camera body for an unimpeded view while vlogging, unless you mount a microphone or the optional EVF in the hot shoe. While the microphone jack is available, you may want to look for a small cold shoe mount or cage to offset the accessory and unblock the monitor. This is not unique to the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. It's a product of using a tilt screen versus a fully articulated monitor. As always, Canon's menu system is clear and easy to navigate. And if you plan on taking still images too, you get the benefit of a 32-megapixel sensor, just like the Canon EOS M9D, except in a much smaller package. Number 2, Sony Alpha 6600. Although a little larger, heavier, and more expensive than most of our recommendations, the Sony 6600 is well equipped for vloggers who want more control over their video capture. A flip-up 3-inch touchscreen LCD faces forward when positioned at 180 degrees and can be used to activate focus and choose a subject to track with just a tap. Although the Sony 6600 is equipped with microphone and headphone jacks like other cameras with flip-up screens, you'll need a cold shoe mount to keep the microphone from blocking. The LCD autofocus performance is quite good thanks to Sony's excellent face and eye AF that keep you in sharp focus when shooting up to 4K video. Video AF speed can be adjusted so you can create some interesting effects. And as a bonus, you'll get movie markers including a safety zone as well as zebra and peaking tools. The Sony 6600's 5-axis image stabilization helps deliver smooth video even when you're walking. You also get about 250 minutes of battery life, customizable buttons, and the ability to turn the camera into a webcam with Sony's free Imaging Edge webcam software. With all of its features, and we didn't cover them all here, the Sony 6600 is best suited for vloggers who like to dig deep into the camera's many capabilities. Number 1, DJI Osmo Pocket. This Lilliputian camera incorporates a 3-axis gimbal into its design for super smooth video, regardless of how much bounce is in your step. And a button push turns the camera to face you for vlogging or selfies. For something so tiny and comparatively inexpensive, the DJI Osmo Pocket offers a surprising number of useful features. In addition to a color touchscreen and the ability to change settings by swiping across the little monitor, you can hook it up to your smartphone if the larger screen is more convenient. You can shoot video, photos, slow motion, time-lapse, and panoramas. The device offers JPEG and RAW options as well as manual exposure controls and tracking. On the creative side, the DJI Osmo Pocket offers themed story modes. The gimbal is fairly delicate though, and it's not waterproof, so be careful when handling the camera. But it's a very cool little gizmo that you can slide into your pocket so you're ready for whatever action unfolds in front of you. Also check out the DJI Pocket 2, with updated features such as a slightly larger sensor, improved audio, and easier-to-use story mode, along with new accessories. It's more expensive, $349 versus $220, but we'll be reviewing it soon to see if it's worth it.